pag tinitingala ka nila, ikaw yung nakikita nila na solusyon dun sa problema nila. Ikaw yung nakikita nila na best option to help them with their problem. Kailangan maging purita, bawal maging pambebe. Speaking engagements, kailangan ba talaga natin bilang mga freelancers? At bakit? Hi, this is Neil Raiked, and in this episode, pag-uusapan naman natin ang speaking to build your authority. Pero first off, ang question is, bakit ba natin kailangan ng authority? Di ba yung authority parang yabang-yabang lang naman yan? Forma-forma lang naman yan. Ano lang yan? Parang pang-flex lang yan na ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Well, ang sad to say na story dito is that yes, you need to show, not just tell, that you are an expert in your chosen field. So, example lang natin ha, ikaw ay isang freelancer at ang napili mo ay digital marketing, specifically Facebook ads. So, imagine lang, gusto mong mag-charge ng 100,000 pesos per ad account and then, walang kaalam-alam yung kliyente tungkol sa'yo. Paano kita pagkakatiwalaan? Paano ko masasabi na talagang magiging sulit yung 100,000 pesos ko per month per ad account? So, ang best way to go about it is by winning their trust. And the way to win their trust is by building your authority. And one way to best build your authority is through, tadan, speaking engagements. You might be thinking, create na lang ako ng content. Yes, kagaya nito, content to. Okay lang yan, walang problema. Sige, sulat na lang ako ng sulat ng mga post. Yes, okay lang din yan, walang problema. Pero, mind you, ginagawa na ito ng karamihan. Ang ginagawa ng bihira at konti lang talaga ang may lakas ng loob is speaking engagements. Diba ang sabi nga nila, yung fear of public speaking is way bigger than death. Hindi ko alam kung may statistics ba yun, kung patotoo ba yun, kung meron ba talagang data tungkol doon. Pero ang alam ko, sobrang konti lang ang mga tao, kahit sa mga estudyante ko, ang willing mag-speak in front of an audience. Bakit? Kasi live to. Kasi if they make a mistake, alam nila, hala, pahiya talaga ako. That's why, the higher the risk, the higher the reward sa cases na ito. Konti lang gumagawa. That's why it makes a lot more sense for you to do it. Kasi konti lang gumagawa. Huwag mo nang hintayin na marami pa ang gumagawa ng mga speaking engagements. Now, you might be thinking, teka, ano sasabihin ko sa isang speaking engagement? Para sa akin, ang pwede mong sabihin is the benefits and how they can actually implement the thing that you are doing for your clients. Demonstrate to them. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? What makes a winning ad set? What makes a winning campaign? What makes a winning creative? We're just talking about Facebook ads. Kung specific lang tayo sa Facebook ads. Ang pinakamahalaga dito na de-demonstrate mo na alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Ang speaking engagement also gives you an unfair advantage kasi you are speaking in front of an audience. The audience, ang bias nito is that they already know that since you're the speaker, you're the one who's holding the mic, they already know for a fact that you are an expert because no one would dare speak in front of an audience if they knew they were not an expert. And lastly is this. Whenever you're a speaker, ang bias lagi is that you're on a stage. You might be thinking sobrang literal naman to, pero yes, ganun siya. Ang tawag dito is yung vantage point. Ikaw yung nasa taas, audience mo nasa baba. Yung mga competitors mo, wala sa stage. Sila yung nasa baba, ikaw yung nasa stage. Dahil ikaw yung nasa taas, automatic they look up to you. Literally and figuratively. Ibig sabihin, pag tinitingala ka nila, ikaw yung nakikita nila na solusyon dun sa problema nila. Ikaw yung nakikita nila na best option to help them with their problem. That is why, take advantage while only a few people, especially your competitors, are doing speaking engagements. Make the most out of it. Huwag mong hintayin dumating yung araw na everyone is now a speaker. Make the most out of the time that people don't want to speak in front of an audience. And yes, there might be mistakes along the way, pero along those mistakes, you are getting so much progress. So, balik tayo. If you really want to build your authority, if you really want to become the known expert sa field mo, especially among freelancers, I highly recommend na magkaroon ka ng mga speaking engagements. If you want to learn more on how to get your first speaking engagement, please comment on the video. Please message us on Facebook kung gusto nyo how to get your first speaking engagements. Always remember, kasalanan maging purita at bawal maging pabebe. Bye, bashers! Kasalanan maging purita, bawal maging pabebe.